The Jakarta High Court on Tuesday overturned a lower court's previous and controversial ruling to delay the 2024 presidential and general elections by 2 years. This means the country's elections are expected to go ahead next year as planned, Chani Vatwani reports.
Indonesia's presidential elections and general elections are expected to carry on as scheduled next year. This after the Jakarta High Court overturned a lower court's order to delay the 2024 national elections by 2 years. Now, in its decision, the High Court argued that the lower Central Jakarta District Court in its ruling last month had overstepped its jurisdiction and had no authority or competence to deliberate on the matter and make a decision. Now, this latest ruling by the Jakarta High Court will certainly ease political uncertainty surrounding next year's elections. Remember, the previous ruling shocked many when the lower court ordered all of next year's election preparations to be stopped for more than 2 years and to be restarted from the beginning. All this over a complaint from an obscure party whose application to run had been denied. Now, President Joko Widodo will also be completing his second 5-year term in 2024, and Indonesia's constitution mandates a 2-term limit, a fact that the Constitutional Court has also made clear. All of this is expected to dampen the debate surrounding Mr. Widodo's tenure. Some senior political figures have openly backed the idea of him staying in office longer, clashing with critics' views that such a move would certainly put a dent in efforts of 2 decades of democratic reforms. Now, multiple polls have shown that most Indonesians are against an extension of Mr. Widodo's term as well. We also have President Widodo himself, who has previously said that he is against the idea of extending his time in office too. Now, this latest ruling has been welcomed by the Election Commission, while Indonesia's Chief Security Minister has said that the Election Commission must now work quickly and carefully to ensure that the polls go ahead as per schedule in February next year.